What's poppin', fam? It's Asia, and today I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to style your box braids. So I'm starting off with these box braids that I did. You can catch the tutorial by clicking the I button, and I'm going to just take a little small section in the front and begin to twist it. I'm doing a flat twist, and then I'm going to bobby pin it in the back. I'm then using these filigree tubes. These are jumbo clamps that I'm going to put on the twist to add a little extra style. You'll repeat the same thing on the other side, and boom, that's it. There goes style number 1. So next, for style number 2, I'm going to be using 2 ponytails, and I'm just going to wrap the ends of those twists into a ponytail, and I'm adding a little bit of extra hair into that to make a full little bun. So you're going to have 2 ponytails, and then you're going to begin by wrapping a small section around in a circle, and then take the remainder of the hair and wrap it around in a circle. Using rubber bands, you're going to secure the hair so that way it can all stay into place. I used about 5 rubber bands, 3 to 5 rubber bands per bun, and this is just going to keep the ends nice and secure, and tuck it underneath the rubber band as needed until you have a nice form. I did the same thing on the other side. Once you have the buns secured, you just gently shape them, and that's it. And that's style number 2. For style number 3, you're going to take a small piece of hair in the front and just twist it all the way down, and then add a clamp. You're going to then take another clamp and add it towards the top of the twist, and then pin the twist to the back of the hair. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and boom, this is style number 3. So for style number 4, you're going to take those 2 twists and you're going to add them into a ponytail. So I just take a little bit of hair from the left side of my head and a little bit of hair from the right side of my head, and I'm just going to add it into those 2 middle twists. And I'm going to take a little bit of hair from the back just to make it nice and full, and take one of those elastic bands and secure it. Now, to make sure that everything is nice and smooth, I take a little bit of the hair from one side and begin to wrap it around. And as I continue to go into a circle, I will feed more hair into that like swooping motion that I'm doing. And once I've got it nice and tight, I'll begin to add rubber bands. And I'm just adding rubber bands as I move the hair around in a circle just to get everything nice and secure. And again, it took me about 3 to 5 rubber bands to get it perfect. So once I have that secured, I'm just going to lightly shape it with my hand and make sure all of the ends are tucked in. And then I'm going to take those same gold clamps and I'm just pinching them onto the roots of my hair, 1 on each side. So I have a total of 4 in the front. And this is the finished look. So for look number 5, what I'm going to do is take those same clamps and I'm just going to add them to the roots of my hair, just little small sections. And I do that in 4 sections, 2 at the top and 2 on each side. And we have this little Cleopatra looking situation. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know which hairstyle is your favorite, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.